Hey guys, Tyson here from Sherwood Dodge. What I have behind me here is a 2020 1500 Longhorn EcoDiesel, one owner, Clean Carfax, just over 13,000 kilometers. If you come to the front here, we have the 360 camera. You also have all your sensors on the front there, lane control, cruise control, adaptive cruise control, all that good stuff. If we make our way into the vehicle, you have the power running boards. If you come inside there, you got the 12-inch screen, heated steering wheel, heated seats, vented seats on the front and the back, panoramic sunroof, wireless charging station. When you come to the back, we've got a soft tonneau cover here. You also got the box steps, and of course inside it is already bedline. If you want to see this vehicle or take it for a test drive, give me a call at 780-231-3403. See you soon.